Hey guys, welcome to Monday Morning Yoga Flows with Echo on YOGATX. I'm really excited to be here this morning with you guys, not only for you, but for me. It's early morning and I know how it feels to be in your body when things are feeling quite tight and needing to kind of loosen things up and get some undulations in. So this morning, we're going to work into a full body yoga flow, about 15 minutes, and it will help us with the lateral lines of the body and just a full body wake up and maybe a little bit of twisting so that we can wring out the belly and get the digestion firing for the day. So join me on your yoga mat standing in Tadasana or just standing pose. All right, so let's go ahead and start in standing position and just allow yourself to ground first. So put the feet into the earth, roll the shoulders back, allow the hands to come alongside the body, and just sigh it out. I don't know about you, but on Monday mornings, I really just need a footing and a grounding to bring me back into myself and onto the earth. So feel the feet on the ground. Allow the breath to come naturally through the nostrils, inhalations and exhalations. You can open the eyes. Inhale, sweep the arms up slowly. Take a hold of the left wrist, pull the feet in closer together and just lean lightly to the right. Look to the left. So we're getting lateral stretch along the left side of the body, pulling energy down through the side bodies. Take another inhale. And exhale back through center. Take a hold of the right wrist, pull to the left, hips to the right. You can look up to the right here. And just feel that activation as we bring energy up through the lateral lines. This definitely helps wake me up in the morning. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, bow all the way down. Lead with the chest, slight bend in the knees. Let the head drop down. Feet apart here, about hip width distance, and take a hold of opposite elbows. So we call this rag doll. And just let the head drop down, and we're just lengthening through the back line. So we're moving through all planes of the body, waking ourselves up. And let the head hang. Let gravity do the work here. You've got all the work to do this week, so just allow gravity to take over right now. Hands come down to the earth. Very slowly, inhale, press through the feet and slowly begin to slug your way up. Like you're waking up in the morning, your hands are hanging. Come all the way up to staying. Let your head come up last. Shrug the shoulders at the top. Beautiful. Bring the hands to the lower back. Make a little fist and open the chest. So puff the chest out big here. Take an inhale. And on the exhale, lead with the chest, bring the hips back, slight bend in the knees, slowly begin to lower again, fist up towards the ceiling. So now we're opening across the shoulders, getting a bit of a back bend, opening the heart. Let me take some time here, a few more breaths. Spaciousness is so juicy for our practice, so taking time in each pose to just revel in the stillness and the silence. Beautiful. Inhale, press through the feet, lift up through the chest, find that back bend, open the heart, look up, and exhale, hands alongside the body. Sigh it out. Beautiful. To continue, inhale, reach up. And exhale, let's bow all the way down again. Inhale, come up halfway. And exhale, plant the hands, step back to a plank position, pause here. We begin to build some fire. So round up through the upper back, pull the belly in, really engage through the core. So we're building some fire in our core for our long week, long day. Take an inhale. Exhale, bring the knees down and the chest through the hands. Keep the hips high. Allow the heart to come down to the ground. And then slide forward onto the belly, Bhujangasana. Slight pressure of the palms into the ground. Really press the thighs and tops of the feet. And we're beginning to lengthen and strengthen those back muscles here. Shoulder blades down the back. And slowly come down. Right cheek to the mat, arms alongside the body. Take a moment, heart to the earth, grounding in. And we're going to take a couple of cobra waves. So bring the fingertips alongside the shoulders, outside the mat. Lift the chest. Look forward. So let the head come down first. And on the next inhale, lift up. Onto the fingertips. And exhale, wave down. Inhale, wave up. And exhale, wave down. You don't have to go up as high as me. Find your own edge. Inhale up. And exhale down. This is all about finding your happy space. Bring the hands in by the shoulders. Press the hips back towards the heels. Child's pose. Forehead to the earth. The knees are open here, and we just walk the hands over towards the right, getting a lateral stretch through the left side body. Place the left palm down, right palm down, chest over the right thigh, and get a nice bit of length here through the left side body. Forehead can relax down. And slowly come back through center. Walk over towards the left, right palm presses down to the earth, chest waving over the left thigh. Find length through the entire right side body. And don't push yourself past your edge. Be kind. And come back through center. Come into a tabletop position. Tuck the toes under and press back to downward facing dog. Pause here. And you can pedal it out if you'd like, or you can come into stillness. I've got a little furry friend with me that keeps walking back and forth. He wants to come join on the yoga mat, but he's too scared. He's camera shy. Maybe one day he'll make his debut. All right, step the big toes together. Inhale, step the right foot forward, left knee down. Low lunge. Reach the arms up. If you want to know the fancy name for this in Sanskrit, we call this Anjaneyasana. Come here, Monty. Come here. Monty. Monty, come here. Come here. Do you want to say hi? Come on. Come on. No? Okay. Take an inhale. And exhale. Bring hands to heart center. Twist to the right. Left elbow outside the right knee. Nice open chest, and do your best to not rest the chest on to the right thigh. Like twisting from the belly. This is so good for the morning digestion. So you get that Agni burning here, that inner fire. Take an inhale, bring the right hand to the back of the left calf, left arm stretching up. Get a nice lateral stretch here. Hands come to the earth. Bring the hips towards the left heel and step the right foot forward, toes pointing up, half splits here. Fold in. Feels so juicy to lengthen that back line. I don't know about you, but tight hamstrings are something I generally wake up with, even when I haven't done anything to really deserve it. Bend the right knee again, and we're going to bring the left foot behind the left hip. Right hand to the inside of the right foot. Left arm stretching up and open. So that could be a little strange to get into, but you'll get it. And then bring the left hand back behind you in line with the left hip. Right arm sweeping up overhead and lengthen the right leg out. We come into gate pose. So nice length through the right side body. You can sigh it out whenever you need to. Feels so good. Open the heart. Take an inhale. And exhale, come back up through center and turn towards the front. Bend the right knee, hands down, step back, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Let's do the other side. Inhale, left foot forward, right knee down. Let's find that fancy Anjaneyasana. Reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart, twist over to the left, this time right elbow outside the left knee. Nice open chest, wring the belly out. Bring the left hand down to the right calf, right arm stretching up overhead, get lateral length through the right side body. Inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Sink the hips back to the right heel, walk the left foot forward until you can point the toes up. Find your fold. For some of you, you might be like, this is all I can do. That's completely fine. For some, you might want to dive deeper. It's important that you listen to your body and not even the instructor's body. If I'm going lower than your body wants to allow, that's perfectly fine. Be kind. And at home, use blocks or props, whatever you need to build up to help you bring the floor closer to the body. Take an inhale. Okay, exhale. Bring the left foot back a bit, bend the left knee, find that 90 degree. Here's the strange one. Bring the right foot back behind you, left hand to the inside of the left foot, right arm stretching up and then overhead. So tracking alongside the right ear, we're getting the length through the right side body now. Take an inhale. And exhale, right hand down behind you in line with the right knee. Left arm stretching up overhead and lengthen the left leg out. Feels so good to lengthen the entire left side of the body. Take an inhale. And exhale, come back up through center. Turn towards the front, hands to the earth. Rebend the left knee, hands down. Step back, downward facing dog. Come down to the knees and a couple of waves here. Cat and cow. Hands directly underneath the shoulders. Take an inhale, belly drops, look forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, belly drops, look forward. And exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, belly drops. Exhale, round the spine, undulating. Inhale. And exhale. And come back to neutral. Tuck the toes under behind you and walk the hands back until you're seated right over the heels. Even the little pinky toes tucked under. All right, toe squat. It's not a favorite, but rest the hands on the thighs. And this is such a beautiful activating pose as we have meridians and myofascial lines beginning and ending in our feet. So when we begin to heat up that plantar fascia, and the fascia on top of the feet, whew, it burns a bit, but it brings so much energy into our body, into our day. So let's build our vitality. Stay with me. We're not here for too long. And just allow that heat to travel up through the ankles, through the shins. And of course, if you have any ankle injuries or toe injuries, just sit back onto your heels and revel in this moment. Take an inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. 2 more. Be a little silly. Take an inhale, sigh it out with your tongue out like a lion. Lion's breath. Come onto the hands, untuck the toes, and just paddle out the feet. Yeah, feels nice. And sit back onto the heels now. And bring the hands back behind you. Lift the knees and just begin to rock a little bit. Yeah. And you can feel if you had any discomfort in the tops of the feet, you can just feel that begin to be alleviated. Beautiful. And come back up to a seat. Sitting up nice and tall. A few mindful breaths here as we conclude our practice. Coming into a space of stillness and mindfulness. And even these short activating practices are so juicy for the nervous system. So as we kick into the sympathetic nervous system to wake us up and create awareness and presence, we can also really focus on that body breath connection and bring peace to the parasympathetic nervous system. Take a deep breath in, deep sigh out. Beautiful. Can open your eyes. And just want to say namaste, yogis, for showing up for yourselves today and to practicing with me this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you may be. Hope that your body is feeling more awake and alert and peaceful, if possible. And if you would like to practice with me again, feel free to join me every Monday here for our Monday morning flows. And you can find out about my retreats and trainings and my travels throughout the world and online at www.echoflowyoga.com and on Instagram at echo_around the world. So I hope to see you somewhere someday on the yoga mat or here for now, and just have a beautiful, blessed day. Hi, Monty. He wanted to say hi. Mwah. Let's go.